Vertical glass washing machine. 2000 millimeters, 2500 millimeters optional. Section 1 glass loading section with Lowy glass detection function. Suitable for all kinds of Lowy glass. Section to glass washing and drying section. The overall material is stainless steel. All bearing bases are stainless steel. Self-aligning brush bearings with long service life and high accuracy. Total 3 pairs of brushes. Section 3 with lamps for glass checking and conveying. Max glass size 2000 by 2500 millimeters. Single glass thickness 3 to 12 millimeters.